How's it going, everybody? Got this VEVOR brand trimmer rack here for an unboxing. Check this out. Here's everything that came in the box. It's got the 2 racks right there. Take a look at this and I'll show you this more, but you can put your stuff in there and close it up and lock it. Comes with a padlock too. A couple of them. It's got this. This is for your rope. It's going to mount right there. So you can mount these things to a trailer or to the wall. And the mounting holes are right down here, and it comes with the bolts and stuff to mount it as well. Kind of the idea there. It even identifies this as a trailer mount. I'm going to go ahead and hang this on the wall. This is mounting the rope hook, which we'll go over after we mount this thing to the wall. All right, I found some screws here that are going to work perfectly for this. Just gonna go right down through there. See about that. Here's the rest of the pieces that came in the box. So you get 3 little padlocks for this too, which is awesome. You can, you know, these are made for if you're leaving your weed whackers on the back of your trailer, you can lock them up so nobody snags them. Well, these locks here are great. You got 1, 2, 3, and you got 3 locks. So we can go ahead and put that through there, lock it up. Stuff goes through there, they can't pull it out. These things are so easy to put in. I just put in these top screws. I'm gonna go ahead and drive these bottom ones here. These here are some carriage bolts for mounting it to a trailer too. And these here are for mounting this hook here to the rack system, which is what we're gonna go over next. You know, you can use this hook for a number of things, but you know, it's made for rope. So I'm actually gonna use this twine because it's gonna fit great with this project here. Good for tying stuff up, all kinds of stuff. Great to have around as part of your kit. So the first thing we're gonna do is take this rubber gasket and put it down over like this, down over it there. Next thing we do is we'll go ahead and grab the rubber gasket here, and then the large ring here, and then we can put a spring on there, and this pin will go right through there. Now that rope won't go anywhere. Shake it all around, it ain't going nowhere. You'll notice here on the rack itself, it's got a couple of holes right there, and that's where these rope hook mounting screws will go through. You got some there. There's some all the way up above if you want to use them up high. All right, there we have it. Got a nice rack here. I got my fishing pole up on top as well. And you know, you can flip these things this way or that way, whatever way works best for you. It's a great rack. You can put it up just about anywhere. Space it, the spacing there too. You can spread them apart. Thanks for watching, everybody.